Okay, here we go. Video 4. Front bathroom. Really, yesterday, the fella spent all day fiddling around with this tub and getting these boards in here and getting the rough plumbing up to there. And then getting all this ready for tiling. So assume the drain's in. Don't have to assume that because he put in a required by code inspection panel, which he's removed, interestingly enough. So there's a waste and overflow there. And that'll be part of the inspector's inspection. And so the tub's all hooked up. It's in place. It's protected and ready to be used. Hooray, tub. So it's got some hardy backer there that is going to be part of the. This is hard. Is this actually plywood? I'm not sure what he's going to do with that, but I'm sure he has a plan. Maybe he's going to re-add plywood down through here. He said he had to get some materials this trip, so that's where we're at. Really nothing all that spectacularly new. Don't touch any of those. It's really ready. I mean, everything is ready. Oh, and the niche, the lower niche will be here to here, and then the upper niche will be here to here. Seemed like the right thing to do. So, just like we talked about. Hooray, hooray. So there we have it. The front bathroom, the tiny front bathroom, is nearing completion. A little bit at a time. Soon we'll be getting tile, and that'll be fun. Okay, thank you. Bye.